Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. We are traveling to London. As you can see, we are on the train. We have about an hour journey, but first stop is Engawa, which is a Japanese restaurant which is described on Google as a petite posh Japanese dining room serving Kobe beef focused set meals from an open kitchen. This was fully booked, so the only seats available were counter seating, so I apologize for any awkward angles I am filming. We ordered their 14 assorted selection 2-tiered Hakozen bento box and it was good. Highly recommend. Oh my god. I'm full. Right. We had 14 piece set like bento box and it was nice. I don't really eat sashimi. I'm not really a fan of like the sashimi situation, but I liked it. I really did like it. Yeah. It was really nice. I would recommend, would go again. It's 50% off right now. So we actually, originally it's £50. £50. I would never pay £50, but
I mean, they did test nice.
25. I would pay 25. It was fully booked, so the only seats that were left were at the counter, and I'm fine with it because good food,
and you get to see the cooking.
Delicious. Anyways, we're gonna have a walk around Chinatown, maybe have some dessert, and maybe check into the hotel because
we've got time.
We've got nothing to do. We have nothing planned because today was just gonna be a chill day. Anyways, let's go. Here at St. James Park, got some dessert. So we got some soufflé pancake. Baz has never tried that before, so got that. And we thought it'd be nice to have it at the park, so. Oh, look at that. I got a Biscoff one. Baz got a tiramisu one. Oh, look at that. Let's try this. Oh, wow, it's so good.
Is it?
It's so good.
That's so much tiramisu that we got.
So we're just chilling. Can you see him just chilling in the park? So we're just letting all the food go down really. So we got a long time to go. We have like the whole day here because we had a booking for Engawa, the Japanese. Oh, that's loud. So we booked an interactive games room in like Wandsworth. It's a bit far away, but like it's okay, it's fine.
And it's £70.
It's £70. So we booked an interactive games room, and for 1 hour it's £70, just £34 each. So it was like £68 altogether, and it was just like, what are we doing? But it'll be fun. They got like an arcade and like they got go-karting and all this other stuff there. So we want to check that out as well. But that's the only thing that we got booked for because we saw time slots were kind of like going away quite fast. So we're like, let's just book in case. And it kind of like an excuse to do something because for us, if we don't book, we just don't go. It's a bit cold, to be fair, but we don't want to go back to the hotel because the hotel is like an hour from Wandsworth. So we're like, let's just chill here and then make our way. But yeah. We then made our way to Wandsworth for Gravity, which is kind of like a newish entertainment place. Like they have go-karting, mini golf, bowling, an arcade, all sorts. We booked the interactive games room, which as you can see is a bunch of mini games on a wall. I think it's called like a gamebox room. Anyway, they make you wear this visor with some antenna on it. There was that. Also, this was the gift that they sent us at the end of the game when the game was done. What am I doing? Okay, so we just checked into the hotel. It is currently 10:07 and we thought, okay, let's just have a chill night. I'm a little bit hungry though, not gonna lie. I need to wash my hands. But let's go on a tour. So let's go to the bathroom. Oh, this is alright. Bit rusty in some places.
Rusty?
Yeah.
You say rust?
In the soap holders. Oh, there's a bar. The swell. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's quite nice actually. It's very bright. It's an alright room though. It's quite nice. It's got a king size bed. So a bit low down. We're at level 2, but it's right. Places, wardrobe. Bigger wardrobe. Bigger wardrobe than usually. What's in here? Oh, they got a little mini bar. Oh.
We've already got to pay for some of the stuff, right?
Yeah, if you move any of the items, you will be charged.
Really?
Yeah, it says.
What about the one on top? Only the stuff in the fridge, right?
Don't know. Anyways, this is the room. Got a double bed, king size bed actually. Got a nice size TV. It's quite right. It's quite cozy. It's quite nice. Quite like it. Anyways, didn't really record much today. Today was a day of travel and we did a lot of traveling, just getting to London in the first place and just like to A to B. And we went to Wandsworth. Wandsworth is far. You need to take the train. It's not just underground. And like to get back here, we needed to take a bus. We needed to do all these kind of routes. It was long. It was just a bit long. But overall, actually, what did you think of Gravity? Gravity, I feel like is cool if you got a load of people. What do you think? Yeah, it's very good if you've got loads of people. We just went to the interactive. Actually, you know, for 2 people it's good. It's just don't go at a busy time. We went like it's bank holiday weekend, and plus we went and probably like one of the busiest times you could go. But it's a nice thing to do in the evening. That's the thing. It was just very busy. For instance, if you want to do like mini golf and stuff like that, someone's always going to be waiting for you. You're always going to be waiting for someone. It's going to be. That's not how I like to do mini golf. I like to take my own time in mini golf, and I don't want people to rush me. So we didn't do mini golf. We did like the interactive room. The interactive room was fine. It was just hot. It was very hot, and it was £70 for an hour, which was a bit much. But then again, it's London. Well, Wandsworth.
Is that an option to do less or no?
If you want a different game, we did like, I can't even know what it's called, Psychedelic Mansion, and it was hot. Like the next people that came into our room was 4 people, and it was just 2 of us, and it was boiling. And then it was just some of the games, it wasn't connecting properly, like the headset and stuff like that, so it was just a bit annoying. But like overall it was fun. I had a good time. It was okay. We were just playing the same games over and over again, just at different levels, and one game was just the most annoying game ever, and it was just, I feel like we were just wasting time, and you have to complete the game to go to the next game, or like you fail it when the timer runs out. I just want to press exit and just skip to the next game. But anyways, it was a good time. I had a good time. It was just far, and getting back here was just a bit long. It's a bit cold. Didn't bring a jacket, so you know. Anyway, so we're here and we just want to chill. Honestly, we want to get water, we want to get some snacks. However, like this hotel, you know, hotel food's expensive, like too expensive. So might just deliver some stuff, because there's a Tesco Express near, but it's closed. It's 10:20 p.m. and if you want to get water from KFC, it's £1.29.
That is Sainsbury open.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, until 11. I need to go now.
Oh, let's go Sainsbury's. Okay, I unbuttoned my jeans, but let's button them back up. Let's go. Hello. As you can tell, we are back with snacks. We got many snacks because we're hungry. I got Christine, got ham, because why not? Got some brioche. I can't live without breakfast, and I just needed something for breakfast because tomorrow I've got to leave early, and I'm just like, I'm not ready for it. Anyways, got some soy milk because I saw soy milk and I really like soy milk. Most importantly, got bottles of water because water here is not cheap. So got 2 of that. Got some fruit, got some cherries, got some grapes. I think Baz is washing the grapes. However, we cannot use the fridge. It's one of them monitored fridge thingies, and he said if you accidentally move it, we will charge you. There's the warning on the fridge, so we're not even gonna use the fridge. If we move anything else, I don't want to be charged for something that I did not eat. Here we go. Ran out of battery, but we're back. Let's wash some grapes. Are they nice grapes?
Yeah. Chacharoll.